Unity is a place where we're on a quest for the truth of who we are, for spirit, that essence of self, the experience of consciousness. We're on a path leading to spiritual unity, to oneness, not sameness or conformity, seeking a common understanding of truth. And unity is a place where we foster and encourage self-discovery. Whilst unity was founded over 150 years ago, we see it as a dynamic, evolving and growing place so that it remains in step with today while still holding on to core beliefs that have supported mankind for millennia. We see unity as a force for good in our current world. Unity was founded to be practical and to be relevant in our day-to-day lives, applicable in thought, word and deed. So we have proven teaching from orientation level to ordination, where we explain spiritual principles and practices such as peace, prosperity, forgiveness, compassion, understanding, prayer, meditation and metaphysics, to list just a few. We have regular services, seminars, retreats and a book club to help foster our spirit of community and to help us grow together. Unity has no specific dogma and is open to people of all faiths, as we see ourselves as complementary to other practices, and we have many people who attend both their own churches and Unity. We are a genuinely welcoming home for truth seekers of all kinds, bound together by love, kindness and a desire to learn more. We embrace teachings from Thomas Aquinas to Galileo, from Jesus to Buddha and Mohammed, from Newton to Einstein, from Shakespeare to Emerson and many, many others, including our own authors such as Eric Butterworth and our founders, the Fillmores. Unity is a place of self-discovery, a pathway to inner understanding, but mainly is an open and welcoming spiritual adventure playground that has helped people become self-realized through practical spirituality for the last 150 years. Please, come and try us.